Yeah, I'm on my way now. Wait, just tell me about him. I don't know anything. You're kidding me. He likes blondes? Ugh. All right, let me call you back. I gotta go change. Oh, this sucks. Oh, I just bought this head. I was so excited to wear it. Jenny is never gonna let me live this down.
Whoa! What are you doing here? You came for a blonde, didn't you? He needs a blonde, doesn't he? What did I say? I said it, didn't I say it? I called it blondes.
Oh, shut up!
Welcome back, Melly. That's better. Holler. Yeah, I just had to change real quick, but I'm all set. I look much better now.
Can you believe that?
I can't. I mean, I'm blonde. What's wrong with my blonde hair?
I've been here for 5 days.
Seriously, right? I've been here for like 2 weeks.
Wow, that's a long time. I'm done. I want to get out of here.
I need
I want to
some-
get into the world. I want to experience things.
I just want some sunlight.